Hello friends, so today we will talk about the Task Manager. The Task Manager is a Windows application which lets you view and manage applications and processes running on the computer. It also provides an overview of running processes and hardware performance. The Task Manager can be used to end a process causing problems as well as to disable startup programs that launch with Windows. So how to open a Task Manager? For example, if you having problem with an application, it is stuck, it doesn't respond, and you cannot close it by simply clicking on the close button. Then open the task manager, and from there you can close it. So we can open the task manager by two ways. First, click Control Alt Delete and then select on task manager. The second way is right click on the taskbar, right click and select the task manager. So this is the task manager. The process step shows us all programs and processes that are currently running on our computer. So if you have problem with one of applications that are running currently and you cannot close them, so just come to the task manager. For example, I'm having problem with Google Chrome, so I want to close it. Right click on it and select in task. Let me show it to you. So now right click on it and select in task, so it will be closed. But sometimes when you come here and when you press in task, it will not close. It will not respond. So then you can do it by a command line, by using a command of command line interface, the task.kel. But for that you will need the PID number of that program. If you press the details tab, so here you will see the PID number for each process or program. So now I want to close VirtualBox. So first I will need the PID number. Let me search for it. VirtualBox.exe. So 11.11.400 is the PID number of VirtualBox, and I will close it through command line. In the search bar, write cmd and then right click on it, or here you can run as administrator. Yes, so the command is task kel /pid. So the pid was 11.400. Let me check it. 11.400. Yes, and then /f. F is used for force. Let me show it to you, and we will press enter, so it will close that process or application. So that is how to use task manager to close the program or app that is stuck and is not responding. The performance step of task manager shows us the current performance of our PC, how much CPU, memory, disk or network interface is in use. The app history shows us the history of all apps that are currently running on our PC. And startup apps, it shows the apps that are initiated or started when our PC starts. But you can enable or disable them from here, but it is better to enable only those applications that you want, because many applications when they run at the startup, so it will affect the performance of the PC. so you can enable or disable them from here. So Google Drive is enabled, so I can just right click on it and disable it. And OneDrive is enabled or it is enabled. And this let's go to the Skype. Skype is dead. Skype is disabled. So yes, I want to enable it. Right click on it and press enable. I can also disable it again. So these are the startup apps that will launch at the startup of our PC. It will show the current users that are logged on at this PC, and it will shows the details of each application process. The services are Windows processes that are initiated or launched when Windows starts up. So it belongs to the Windows and they are running at the background. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you have any question regarding the topic task manager. So please write it in the comment. It will and subscribe to my channel because it will encourage me to create more contents like this. Thank you.